Nobody talks about this, but your liver is probably suffering right now, and the worst part, you might not even feel it until it's too late. See, your liver is like the body's built-in detox system, working 24/7 to filter out toxins, break down fats, and process everything you eat and drink. But if you're constantly feeding it the wrong stuff, processed foods, alcohol, sugary drinks, it's like forcing a car to run without ever changing the oil. Sooner or later, it's going to break down. But here's the good news. Fixing your liver isn't as complicated as you might think. In fact, adding just a few powerful foods to your diet can help your liver repair itself and function at its best. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 must-eat foods that can supercharge your liver health and potentially change your life. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to keep your liver clean, healthy, and working like a well-oiled machine. Let's get into it. Your liver is one of the most hard-working organs in your body. It processes everything you eat and drink, detoxifies harmful substances, and helps with digestion. But here's the scary part. Liver disease is on the rise, and most people don't even realize they have a problem until the damage is already done. Fatty liver disease, liver inflammation, and even liver failure are becoming more common, mostly because of poor diet and lifestyle choices. And the truth is, your liver is constantly under attack from things like processed foods, alcohol, and even everyday stress. But here's where it gets interesting. Your liver has an incredible ability to heal itself if you give it the right support, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. I'm about to break down 5 powerful foods that have been scientifically proven to help cleanse, repair, and protect your liver. Some of these might surprise you, and by the time we're done, you'll have a simple game plan to keep your liver in peak condition. Before we dive into the 5 foods, let's talk about why your liver needs extra support in the first place. Think about what the average person eats in a day. Fast food, fried snacks, sodas, sugary treats, and highly processed meals. All of these things put an enormous strain on the liver. Your liver has to work overtime to process and eliminate the harmful chemicals, preservatives, and excess fats that come with these foods. Think about what the average person eats in a day. Fast food, fried snacks, sodas, sugary treats, and highly processed meals. All of these things put an enormous strain on the liver. Your liver has to work overtime to process and eliminate the harmful chemicals, preservatives, and excess fats that come with these foods. And if your liver gets overwhelmed, that's when trouble starts. You might notice fatigue, bloating, stubborn belly fat, and even brain fog. Over time, fatty deposits build up in the liver, leading to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, which affects nearly a quarter of the world's population right now. The scary part? Most people don't even realize they have it. The symptoms are subtle at first, but if left unchecked, it can lead to liver inflammation, scarring, known as cirrhosis, and even liver failure. So what's the solution? It starts with what you put on your plate, and that's where these 5 powerful liver-cleansing foods come in. Food number 1, beets. Benefits of beets for liver health. Food number 1, beets. Benefits of beets for liver health. Beets might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of liver health, but they're actually a liver superfood. They contain betalains, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Beets also stimulate bile flow, which helps your body break down fats and eliminate toxins more efficiently. Not to mention, beets are packed with nitrates, which help improve blood flow to the liver and support overall detoxification. Whether you eat them roasted, blended into a smoothie, or juiced, adding beets to your diet is a game changer for your liver. Food number 2, garlic. Scene 5, benefits of garlic for liver detoxification. Garlic isn't just great for keeping vampires away, it's a powerful detoxifier for your liver. It contains allicin and selenium, 2 natural compounds that help cleanse the liver, reduce inflammation, and support its ability to filter out toxins. Plus, garlic helps activate liver enzymes that break down and flush out harmful substances. Want the best results? Eat raw garlic. Want the best results? Eat raw garlic. Crushing or chopping garlic and letting it sit for a few minutes before eating releases the most beneficial compounds. Food number 3, turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods out there, and it's especially good for your liver. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, helps protect liver cells from damage, reduces inflammation, and stimulates bile production. Some studies even suggest that curcumin may help prevent fatty liver disease and reverse early-stage liver damage. For maximum benefits, pair turmeric with black pepper, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Food number 4, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with chlorophyll, which helps neutralize toxins and reduce the burden on your liver. They're also loaded with antioxidants and fiber, which support overall liver function and help flush out heavy metals and harmful substances. Want an easy way to eat more greens? Try adding them to a smoothie, tossing them into soups, or sautéing them with a little olive oil and garlic. Food number 5, avocados. Avocados aren't just delicious, they're incredibly good for your liver. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps detoxify the liver and protect against damage. Studies show that eating avocados regularly can help reduce liver inflammation and improve overall liver function. Avocados aren't just delicious, they're incredibly good for your liver. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps detoxify the liver and protect against damage. Studies show that eating avocados regularly can help reduce liver inflammation and improve overall liver function. So if you're looking for an excuse to eat more guacamole, this is it. Here's the bottom line, your liver is constantly working to keep you healthy, but it needs your help. If you keep feeding it the wrong foods, it's only a matter of time before problems start showing up. But the good news? You have the power to turn things around. By simply adding these 5 must-eat foods into your diet: beets, garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, and avocados, you can give your liver the support it needs to cleanse itself, function better, and keep you feeling amazing. And the best part? It's not complicated. You don't need expensive detox teas or extreme diets. Just eat the right foods consistently, and your liver will take care of the rest. So, let's recap. Your liver is constantly working behind the scenes, performing over 500 essential functions to keep your body running smoothly. It detoxifies harmful substances, processes nutrients from food, regulates blood sugar levels, stores essential vitamins and minerals, and even plays a role in digestion by producing bile. Without it, your body wouldn't be able to break down fats properly, filter out toxins, or maintain a healthy metabolism. However, despite its importance, most people don't think about their liver health until something goes wrong. The reality is that modern diets and lifestyles put an enormous strain on the liver, making it harder for it to function at its best. Processed foods, excessive sugar, artificial additives, alcohol, and even over-the-counter medications contribute to liver stress. When the liver becomes overwhelmed, toxins start to accumulate, leading to fatigue, bloating, brain fog, stubborn weight gain, and in severe cases, liver disease. Liver disease is becoming alarmingly common, affecting millions of people worldwide. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, is now one of the fastest-growing health concerns, even among those who don't drink alcohol. It occurs when fat builds up in the liver due to poor diet and sedentary habits, leading to inflammation and potential long-term damage. The scariest part? Many people don't even realize they have it until it progresses to a more serious stage. The good news is that your liver has an amazing ability to heal itself if you give it the right support. Making smart dietary choices can help cleanse, repair, and optimize your liver's function. By incorporating specific nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals, you can actively reduce inflammation, promote detoxification, and support overall liver health. Among the best foods for liver health are beets, garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, and avocados. Each is packed with compounds that help the liver function more efficiently. Beets contain betalains and nitrates, which support blood flow to the liver, reduce oxidative stress, and help the body flush out toxins. Garlic is loaded with allicin and selenium, 2 compounds that enhance liver detoxification by stimulating cleansing enzymes. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps prevent fat buildup in the liver and protects against liver diseases. Among the best foods for liver health are beets, garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, and avocados. Each is packed with compounds that help the liver function more efficiently. Beets contain betalains and nitrates, which support blood flow to the liver, reduce oxidative stress, and help the body flush out toxins. Garlic is loaded with allicin and selenium, 2 compounds that enhance liver detoxification by stimulating cleansing enzymes. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps prevent fat buildup in the liver and protects against liver diseases. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are high in chlorophyll, which helps neutralize toxins and heavy metals, reducing the liver's workload. Avocados provide healthy monounsaturated fats and glutathione, an antioxidant that aids in liver detoxification and reduces oxidative stress. Adding these 5 powerful foods to your diet consistently can improve your liver function, enhance digestion, boost your energy levels, and lower your risk of developing liver-related health issues. They're easy to incorporate into meals, whether you add leafy greens to a smoothie, enjoy roasted beets in a salad, cook with turmeric-rich spices, or use avocado as a nutritious topping. Adding these 5 powerful foods to your diet consistently can improve your liver function, enhance digestion, boost your energy levels, and lower your risk of developing liver-related health issues. They're easy to incorporate into meals, whether you add leafy greens to a smoothie, enjoy roasted beets in a salad, cook with turmeric-rich spices, or use avocado as a nutritious topping. Taking care of your liver isn't complicated, and small changes can make a big impact. By prioritizing liver-friendly foods, avoiding excessive alcohol and processed foods, staying hydrated, and maintaining a balanced diet, you can keep your liver strong and functioning optimally for years to come. Your liver works hard for you, so it's time to give it the support it deserves. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more health-boosting tips.